Wait a minute, I won't. Selena, não me deve esse. Ele é da vai comigo. Algo do lugar, nada do Paulo. St. Mary's, just to do a quick translation on that. Selena is looking for a ride to Millbrook, or Truro, the Truro area. She's a student at St. Mary's. If anyone can give her a ride, she's sitting over there on the side. Her name is Selena, looking for a ride. Got a lot of prizes up here. You have to be here to win. And Giselle is going to be going around and collecting your, she has a little piece of paper for you to write your name on. So you can put your name in. What's the big prize, Claire? What's the big prize? iPad Pro. iPad Pro is the big prize. So make sure that your name in for the draw. Giselle is going to be names. Giselle, are you ready? Hey, Giselle, come here, Giselle. If anyone sees Giselle, tell her to come in here. Whenever I attend conferences, I'm usually the first one at the last session. But everybody's really laid back, taking their time, taking it all in. That's cool. Actually says a lot. You guys are really doing this. Wait, no block, yeah. Kan chonui sutine ben bangaya yani eskai bimani music close to night daru nui sutine idil look up night well busy age na Sister Dorothy is going to be ala say the effects I to be na da pijawan ni no do it to da noise to ni no when you na when you da right there were four directions na voices from the four directions that'll be the obsession jadi ni na Sister Dorothy kalu na classic kudo na nega melbat ko ni go na mi ta ki go di jwa ni yes wasing what el tem je ni adu mas ke iru bilwadi ge ye gishka bilwadi ge gishka ye la ge ona tandu ladi ge iru acknowledge all ge ona mi ma ju dan be from the four directions Neng mo isladi yan. Ona luani when. Tapos when two lowest tune. Pas when not when chitana. What you can order masinek is na walap to minek is na well said minek is na narboy dan exact mo ka nimi tune. Niya ka maginay to music. Okay. So award no go na award no go an ye dan chui mu beski soni akine no award no go luari go ba distribution go Mariah Cascade area net tijua ja ning mo luanesa award no go tijua luanesa jubede go na dam book aka mauvel tu Nuane sa duges ki sa kani gua ma biala ne sa mera na unuma ki gua ma chiben east tijua sene sa gua that luak ka South Shore Pudenia Nuane sa Yarmouth Annapolis Valley Bear River Nanegamok tijua Kades no west the middle one is Sawajga Jiga Signectu district Elsa Bukduk, St. Mary's, Kingston, any of those areas that runs where go big go Mount Sebegini got to go up. We have all our Saudi. Alright? So acknowledge all of them sit down days in all of the four directions. Again, guess we not go below Ajo, Hello, was Guru Skum Kigishka Gizu Dan Megazinki, La Louis Utinage. Amushpa, Ewi Digi, Amushpa, Uncleared Mo, Dan Ewi Swallen to Rizla, Bulgarian Tundish, Luanessa, Dandeli Sutika, Dandeli Louis, Annapolis Valley, Daesh, Fred Phillips, Ida McLeod. I'm sure I acknowledge all of you. Can I please ask Fred Phillips and Ida McLeod to come up? I just want to present them with a little token of appreciation. They are the last speakers in their community. Now we're done. So Fred, would you come up? We have a little gift for you. And I also want to acknowledge the person that brought them up here, Sarah. So I just want to thank you as well for bringing them up. And Ida McLeod, is she here as well? Fred? Well, Alia. Yeah? They're the only speakers in their community, so they're doing everything they can to bring the land back. Thank you so much, Sarah. Well, Alia, Ida. Okay, so the next thing I have to ask, is there anyone that wants to say a few words about the conference? About anything they learned? Anything they would like to see at the next conference? Any changes that they would like to see? Okay, while you're thinking about coming up, I also want to acknowledge the Eskasoni Band for everything that they did for us here today. They worked side by side with Claire, making sure that everything was so well organized and everything was in place. So we want to acknowledge the students as well, the Eskasoni School Board, the Chief and Council, and the teachers, staff, everyone else. I don't want to start naming names there because I'll miss somebody, but I especially want to thank our students at MK. So we have BJ Prosper, Mary Virginia Gould, Tiani Paul, Alistair Gould, Shaylin Paul, Bielalo Paul, of course, Giselle Stevens, Olaliek, Alexander Name out, Sander, what? Now, caterers for all the food. Krudlavi Stone, you're going to speak? Okay, here we go. The first speaker.
Well, I liked it. Wow. I liked it, the ceremony. Thank you.
Sure, you're welcome. Where is she? Oh, there she is. You want to say a few words?
Yes, if you speak, we have presence.
Okay, anyone else? Anyone want to volunteer? All right, G. Gifting.
I just want to thank everybody for coming here and taking the time and the effort. But that's the problem, the effort. We as a nation in the 7th District have to regroup with our families, sit down, talk among ourselves, and figure out a way to save our language. Nobody else is going to do it for us. We have to do it. And that's the important message that I spoke of in my presentation. But everybody is important. Everybody has a role. And everybody that speaks the language should be stepping forward and helping out in any way possible. In our culture, there are roles, responsibilities. And every language speaker has a role to pass that down. Every parent has a role to be a parent. When you look at our parents, our grandparents, and how strict they weren't afraid of each other like we are right now. Someone's afraid to say something wrong, and others won't show up. That has to stop. We are here at the Eloise Conference for a reason. Everybody's passion is our language, is our culture. And we have to use everybody's passion in every community, in all of our districts, as relations. I'm Samawida, Guinea, Melkik Tumu, Awan Marodi, is a Yak to Sagasa. So, Unjibal Tuldik, Aponia Nisam Tuldik, so in our culture, I just said, Stop being afraid. Stop looking down upon one another. Everybody is important in this new venture that we have of reviving our language. So it's important that we step up as a nation. Band councils and communities are just that, a community and a band council. It's all the communities within the Mi'kmaq Nation that make up the nation. And that nation is made up of families, of clans, each with a responsibility. And it's time we take those responsibilities seriously. Abijabi, Randeloki, Randelizoli, Randio, Randichidayo.
Anyone else? Does anyone else want to?
We'll dance all could be birdie baby sing. We die up. Willie Namusie. We die be birdie. Tubagimano. A born Mustino bed. Bunyalas in Mexico. Kudus Gurma incentive. Incentive to visualize. Nige a lot of the immersion kids. Emoja classe is up to ja, emoja no is up to ja. Na Derek agano de mami na ignore this one fidget spinner. So you know is when. Na looking na ada classe is up. Na anjo deling ki na today ro nige one kaya school fidget spinner. You know is up to na nura dulu ko din na liya bang kadugi so nada liya reward walo na dili on we so tiji wala
Anyone else? Anyone below ignore store? Bag? Chuan, saya dandel kini.
Yang tiga siang ini. Lima ibu rumah jauh. Ni jalan dua bagi. Group extraordinary school club, 55 and over. Na petition dua belada 65 and over. Minimum they know male no is what you know school. As you know is. One day we sign one already before. Dus allemaal niet beladen wat we beladen op die bandkant. Dat is waar we dit net. Al gaat er wat niet, dat je maar die hebt te doen. Dat kan je niet doen aan de Liana. Moet je doen met MK, Liana. Wat moet je doen? Je bent van de gezicht. Dus je hebt niet bij je, niet bij je. Agracia we 12 kinamut, we support one just because after reserve, all nobody did after reserve, away from home, and then wait to do under reserve at home. Everything. Well, you are each other, see, El kinamut, don't we kinamut, don't we do it. Biasa, apa orang mungkin maka mal dah mana which boleh mungkin dah, oh, jauh, awak ini yang kita. Kecil tu apa ni? Pemko biar ni kan? Awak buat. Oh, beras lah. Cuma lah. Gathering. Aku imam ni dan itu wajib. Down kita aku. Wujud orang segak kita menawar. Suatu advice. Dewa yang ini na, begini wan itu. te visto ai mai, kuna visto. Oltega facility. Oltega was kine kali tumani. Announce. Oli organize ka. Oli abon mali ka ba wani. Announce it. Wala.
Ja, besteed me daar hoor je speaker met ek. Je moet dat microphone. Anybody else? May want to feel like a good low stop? Oh.
Mitä ulotio? Niitä ei ole teknoloinen, jotka ovat niin. Ralph Vance, they was. Kun on muun pituaisuus, sitä tuodumun, koko siisimmun, niin on niisi. Kun se on nestuino, se on. Pasas, ili ei skuulla mitä ajatella on vähän pituaisuus, luisu pituaisuus. Kesät on niin moi. Ainko se vaatikin. School mitä ajatella jisik. En usko kestä. Niitä ei kettu mamana pituaisuus. School. Alla se on vaatikin onnaa. Lagi school maru di pituaisuus na annu mi mauti. Kami ako tawa nga menu itu. Alla se itu tawa gitu. Es nu asukti. So mayak no, dan dia nu isukti. Ini dokolo bedno. Ini bishopne dokolo bedno dan kesiek. Lagi sana ada tiba gitu, kan biskuat di rumah ni. Ini juga anu kondisi. Una kaya daw, abo ko naman daw. Kaya wala ko di sige bijik, ano ba yung bijik? School na daw di sige ano ba yung bijik? Hindi mawid daw, lawo daw. Lolo mo na may tuwa di sige ano ba yung daw. Ikaw sa wala, lawo ni isin. Dalawa man, ko kasi siyon. Pag nakano bijik, nakisiyo ko lawo ko. Desktop kang tuwa, tak nama di mundo. Es que vean, ni nada más que me da buenísima. Es que luego saco el globo que tiene que ir a globo que cada vez que tengo globo que de más que me. Pues es que le digo más que me. A poco me da pues no te lo hice, me da no lo hice. Por ahí así se lo yo.
Never do it. Sure, Katie. Okay. Paskrudu na dojuda ya ish pelisina na dojum lugya bon manutyo da na ish sawi anuizut na ish abjani na ish anuizutin. Yun na imudi na kamiyan tuwe mukha kuna achi kweli dawan na kinamuwe do era moimu dawan ga ish no train out tiji kinamuad no kasi tuwe kuno klo ga ish resource la nega ruma do ye ga ikana mo ye Nova Scotia pasan na ko idala ine na tabogo na language writing style na Klabise, examen utnes ne naish, ujede me naish, tangoi le bugo kede gaish information naish, again naish, Bernie stylish, Bernie Francis writing system, pasak, you know, siya also to my English in a nakoi, at the anatomy of 2500 na mo anuis utin and also buktu. You know, chiba idaya pasamos pais, se ao madnak elementan, se ao anuis utiles na navia, se baiais, albaudish, kais exit que gai que jogo mo shopore, anuis iji, panakam ki pan ujenier liktabi iji, tejo doxijiga. Munene kun mo luguna to pesiway ni ne mega banen panam pa awan na klase wisi. So gerud lo ya is well lo dio
Siawi small mulai Nuism conference mix leader with a book of the information that one more Kilo Kirudlo Aish, Negawi, Stagawiana, Elidas walking Aish, Nushigina Mwati, Sonia down in the Nuis of teacher, acknowledge all together. About them we the Aish, Stagawian Aish, Elwin, Ida, Bernie Francis, Doris, Stagawian, Lian Louise, design, Dalba. Pitakte mo yung siya guluswa na ayaw mo na may kada palalyo abuan mo yun akirudlo acknowledge otherwise aliktin nyo aninay niya gaway kasi nuisi bunyak na siya wisi ito kaya na diyo danay bisquash when na magano mamugay siya kala siya wisi diyo sa muka na nang-explode na Gaido was who exploited this information nice Nova Scotia a lot of Irish MK and there's a local organization at Maulabudi or Southern Lubudi.
Okay, so comes to the draw a little bit of the year, move twist them then. I should them deck it. Okay, so down there's it though, when it's registered now twist them. Yeah. How much per aim with day? Okay, the day. Oh there. Okay, magical odd one now, is it? Because we did a Swiss dough. Man, I'm like a spare. Okay. Georgina Pitt. Georgina Aikman. Georgina Pitt, first one with David. Rainbow. Okay. The next one, Florence Dennis. Amen, Florence. Unmute. Hello, Florence. Yeah, what day? Okay. Tony Gorey. Tony Gorey. Then here. Dion Denny. Joanne Tompkins. No? Okay. Aria Daniel Matalia. Rainbow? Okay. Rebecca Julian. Okay, Lanta. All right. Janet Peck. Erica Laffert. Erica. Molly Piero. Amigo no, Molly Piero. Oh, that's Heidi. Russell Gould. Siggy, I like Siggy. You go Siggy? Mary Imelda Laffert. There she is alive. Beverly Jador. Beverly Jador. Hey. Sarah McDonald. Sarah McDonald. There she is. Chief Leroy Denny. Hey? Uh-oh. Oh, bathroom ko dato. John D. Gould. John D. Gould. Gloria Gould. Gloria Gould. Caroline Sylvester. Doris Google. Caroline Francis. Terry Lynn Marshall. Terry Lynn Marshall. Are you here, Terry? No? Okay. Gloria Johnson. Gloria. Hey. Gloria Johnson. Vamos a biscuit ayoto. Gloria Johnson, way more. Newell Gould. Newell Joe Gould. Way more. Laurice Simon. Laurice Simon. Not here? Okay. Andrea Simon. No? Okay. Oh, hey. Andrea Simon. Oh, there she is. Andrea Simon. Okay. Tyler Thorne. Tyler Thorne. Are you here, Tyler Thorne? Okay, right here. And Cheryl Dick. Barry Prosper Paul. Barry Prosper Paul. Kathleen Slavoy. Greg Marr. Greg Marr. Speaking of got to go on. Corina Piro. Where will mom? Corina. Louis Google. Louis Google. No Louis Google? Elaine Google. Elaine Google, eh? Elaine Google. I'm going to need help on this one. And Andrew Milne. Andrew Milne. M-I-L-N-E. Andrew. No? Not here. Samantha Wong. Samantha Wong. Not here? All right. Darren Google. Darren? Not here. Oh my God, Darren. Walking around with his cell phone outside. Ernest Johnson. Amanda Silifoy, right there. Rita McQueen. Rita McQueen, where are you, Rita? I know you're here. There she is. Rebecca Labilua. Rebecca Labilua. Are you here, Rebecca? No? Okay. Cora Pino. Cora Pino, there. Cora Lee. Lorraine Whitman, I saw her, she's here. Lorraine Whitman, there she is. Roseanne Sylvester, she's here. Roseanne is down there. Jolene Denny. Adela N.G. Adela N.J. Adela N.G. Adela? Or maybe it's Adela. Adela? A-D-E-L-A. Okay. Ken Noss. Ken Noss. Okay. Anybody know Ken Noss? Nope. Jenny Howe. Jenny Howe. No? Josephine Google. Aaron Marshall Francis. Aaron Marshall Francis. Okay, there she is. Rosie Paul. Rosie Paul.
Next door.
Oh, next door.
Here. Please get her.
Okay.
Not here.
Vivian Jador. Vivian Jador. Vivian Aikman. No? Yeah. Mary Christine Google. Mary Christine Google. Oh, escaped. Yeah. What's the fuss? Got shaken. Heather Marshall. Heather Marshall. Rainbow, Heather, Amen. Rainbow. No, Philomena Slavoy. Nina Slavoy. Amen. Nina? Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Melody. Melody Google. Kristen Bass. Kristen Bass. Kristen. Shauna Francis. Happy birthday to Kirby Doucette. There's Kirby. Kirby. Benji Denny. Ida Johnson Denny. Gail Francis. Gail Francis, eh? No Gail Francis? Linda Johnson. Linda Johnson. Carolyn McSween. Amen. Carolyn McSween, there she is. Frances Sillaboy, Anches. Anches? Amen. Okay. Kate Jadis. Kate Jadis. Not here? Lori Moore. Lori Moore. Flora Isidore. Flora Isidore. Amen, Flora? There she is. Maynard Marshall. Amen, Maynard. Donovan Christmas. Donovan Christmas. No, not here. Anna Martin. Anna Martin. Karen Francis. Karen Francis. Okay, Karen. Roberta Marshall. Roberta Marshall. No? Okay. Ann Peck. Ann Peck. Ann Peck. Way more? Okay. Nigel Johnson. Jane Meter. Jane Meter. Rita Denny. Can you come in or move away from the door? Those that are blocking the doorway there, can you please come in? Move away from the door, please. Move away from the door. Just come right in or step outside or make a decision. Just, you're blocking the door and you can't be blocking the doorway. Please and thank you. Rita Denny. Rita Messenger. Star Paul. Joy Tebow. Joy Tebow. Joy Tebow, are you here? Last call. Joy Tebow. Okay. Mary Paulette. Mary Paulette. Mary Paulette. Right. Paulette. Mary Paulette. Dane Denny. Kaya. Dane Denny. Donna Tucson. Donna Tucson. Hear that, here's her. Caroline Martin. Caroline Martin. Alan McKenzie. Cindy Bernard. There's Cindy. Charlene Bernard. Charlene Bernard, are you here? There's Chris. Brandy Peck. Brandy Peck. Bingo. Susie Marshall. Bingo. Brandy. Kaylee McKinnon. Kaylee or Callie? Kaylee McKinnon. Here? She here? Janet Porter. Janet Porter. There she is. There's Janet. Brendan Pullett. Brendan. Ann Peck. Frida Simon. Frida Simon. Ajaida. Shannon Google. Shannon Google. There she is. Shannon. Like Shannon, guys. Janice Google. Janice Google. Hey, Sheldon, where's Janice? Janice Google. Rose Muse. Miranda Johnson. Miranda Johnson. Miranda Johnson. George Marshall. Tax. Should be today. MK staff don't win. Mary Ann Sark. Mary Ann Sark. Carol Ann Jador. Amanda Desrich. Amanda is here. Trevor Gould. Trevor Gould, are you here? Text please. Louisa Martin. Nancy Joe. Nancy Joy. Clarence Paul. Clary. Bessie Prosper. Big Bessie. Little Bacon. No? Darren Stevens. Maybe not Darren. There's Darren. Fred Phillips. Fred Phillips. Bonnie Kreml. Gina Pullett. Gina. Yeah, we need another one. Another shirt. Yeah. There you go. All right. Gina Pullett. Barry Syllaboy. Barry Syllaboy. Barry Syllaboy. Liam Walker. Liam Walker. Are you here? Is Liam Walker in the building? Not here? All right, he's gone. One last call. Got a Mary call. Did you guys get it? Oh, she got it? Oh, sorry. Madeleine Collett. Sugar. Natalie Larry. Wait a minute. Shannon Denny. Shannon Denny. Right. Clifton Kremel. Clifton Kremel. Oh, there he is. Amber Johnson. Amber. Matthew McKeel. Alice Francis. There it is. William Jerome. All right. Howard Johnson. Howard Johnson. No? Helen Stevens. Helen Stevens. Okay? Jared Laughlin. Gone? Tim Jesty. There it is. Renee Peck. Renee Peck. Renee Peck. All right. Gavel, Shannon Gavel. Not here. Okay. Margaret Paul. Oops, it kissed that. Oh. Kizzy Gugu. Kizzy Gugu, there she is. Elizabeth Kremel. Liz Kremel. There she is. Mary Lou Bernard. Mary Lou Bernard. So Mary Lou, good job. Karen Cox. Karen Cox. There's Karen. Peter Chaps Call. Well, we got some Peter Chaps Call. Ida McLeod. Ida McLeod. I see her. I saw her. There she is. Luke Denny.
Next one we have Louise Wetzel. Huh? Okay. Connie Francis. Connie Francis. Or F-R-A-N-E-D. I don't know. No? Okay. Next one. Do we find any names? Joel Denny, Beach. Wait a minute. She's gone. Deborah, Chief Debbie's gone. Next one we have is Rebecca Julian. Astrid Leebrand. Right here. Next one we have is Sharon Prosper. Next one we have is Laura Marshall. Laura, okay, Laura. Here's the other Laura, you're on. We'd have to give her a prize too. Bruce Hurdy. Where's Bruce? Next one, Carla Stevens. Carrie Ann Maloney. Carrie Ann Maloney.
Is she here? No? Linwood Peters. Here he is. Brian Francis. Claudine Johnson. Claudine Johnson, live. Michelle Young. Michelle Young. Live. Catherine Francis. Catherine Francis. Cat. Hello, Luis Caritas. I'm from John. Catherine. April Prosper. April Prosper. Oh, there she is. Katie Joseph. Katie. Last one? Or one more? No? Okay.
Okay, these are all the winners. They go back in the bag.
Habis video dua dan di sini kita cek. Mas segala aja kalau dua gitu, dan dua itu. Give them a good shake, mix them up, because this time we're drawing for an iPad Pro. Are you girls ready? Oh, two main prizes. Last two. What's the one in the container? Okay, so the toolkit. Oh, sensory toolkit. Okay. Sensory toolkit goes to Barbara Johnson. Barbara Johnson. Sensory toolkit. Okay, and the last, or the grand prize, not the grand prize, because we still have an iPad up there, right? And the drum, the hand drum, goes to Renee Peck. Renee Peck, Mom. We're done down here? What's that one? Oh, this one is there. Okay, they have a separate bag up there with another names up there, and they already made the draw. And the winner of the iPad Pro is Bernie Google. Bernie Google. Amen, Bernie. Uh-oh, wait, look. I'll be like the casino. You've got 4 minutes to get to the stage to claim your prize. 4 minutes. Anybody got a stopwatch? Bernie? Oh, it's going. Yeah, Victor. He made it. Come on, Bernie. Come on, Bernie, what damn an iPad Pro. Oh, we got a couple more prizes. Don't go anywhere. Don't leave. We got a couple more prizes. Bernie? What damn an iPad?
Hey, don't leave. iPad Pro, we're not drawing letters, you know.
Okay, so this is for the hashtags. And the hashtag, that's one is hashtag Selginamwanech Yujwadish Dan Dili Nuik. Siggy Gould. So Apple TV with the Siggy. That was for the tweet, the hashtag Selginamwanech Yujwadish Dan Dili Nuik. Siggy. Okay, so now we have the iPad Pro for the evaluations. Those of you that filled out an evaluation. So Selena still looking for a ride to Truro area. Selena, would you please stand up? She's going to Truro and needs a ride. If anyone can give her a drive to Truro. She's a student from St. Mary's and came to the conference out of interest. So, okay? Anyone that can give her a drive to Truro area? Colleen Gavin? Colleen or Colleen Gavin?